Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Peace be upon you everyone. How was your day? Hopefully great, yeah. First of all, let's thank the God with His grace we can gather on this opportunity. In this time, we will present about the archetype for smartphone brands, which our member consists that are Miftahul Falah, and then Sari Murni, also Lina Nuraini, and Africa Hani Amalia, and then Nur Hidayati and Nanda Dwi Amanda. The main brand of Archetype for the smartphone brands. Before that, brand Archetype is a representation of our brand as a persona based on 12 key human desires and values such as safety, power, belonging and other things. Which the idea behind creating our archetypes is to build a brand narrative and create an emotional connection with your target audience. The main brand of archetype for the smartphone brands, as you can see, there is Samsung that include the magician, which is the brand has the characteristic and also the charisma, and it is called the dreamer. Samsung has its characteristic which are known as a mobile phones that are superior to other androids. In addition, many other brands are trying to imitate the Samsung brand. And also the characteristic and charisma, Samsung also has a big vision or can be called the dreamer. At this time, Samsung has released a touchscreen flip phone which there is no other brand like it. Apart from that, Samsung is also starting to design 6G from now on.
The next is business development process infographics. First, the values of Samsung. Samsung is the best brand from other Androids. It has big vision and start designing 6G. It always developing series and dare to be different such as flip phone. So Samsung is famous for being awesome. The second brand is Xiaomi. Its values are cheaper from other brands, even though the quality is no less good. Therefore, Xiaomi is famous for its cheap and great. The third brand is Vivo. It has some values that are always following market demand and prioritizing design and camera. So this brand is fashionable. And the last brand is Oppo. Oppo highlight the main value, namely the camera, especially the front camera. So it well known as Beautify.
And then the customer data of smartphone brands, which the comparison about the user. This data based on our research. First one is Samsung, uh, which 31% user, and then Xiaomi, which 21%, and then the blue one, Vivo, 8%, and the green one, Oppo, 6%.
Sensory exploration of smartphone brands. Let's talk about Samsung first. Its site uses pastel colors and basic colors such as black and white. Samsung has aggressive, loud, and erratic sound, and the touch are cold, metal, and sharp. Next, talk about Xiaomi. It has colorful, interesting, and shiny side. The sound is same as Samsung that are aggressive, loud, and erratic, and the touch are skinny, cold, metal, and sharp. The next is Vivo. It has elegant and back to nature side. Its sound are soft and smooth, and the touch are sharp, metal, and cold. And the last is Oppo. Oppo has colorful side, aggressive and erratic sound, and has touch as Vivo.
Lastly, the brand archetype is very important for our brand because it is the heartbeat of our brand. They convey a meaning that makes customers relate to a product as if it actually were alive in some way. They have a relationship with it and care about it. Okay, this is the end of our presentation. Sorry if there are any mistakes. We'd be happy if anyone has any suggestion or comments. Thank you. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay be educated and learning. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.